Here is an easy holiday sign to display in your home or office. To create the mini palette, I used some leftover paint stirrer sticks. A pack of 12 only cost $1. I used 14 for this project, so I'll have many left over for future projects. You also need wood glue, 2 different colors of paint, a foam brush, and a Christmas themed silhouette. I cut mine out using my Cricut cutting machine, but you can cut it out by hand. Stack the sticks side by side. Glue 2 stirrers to the back, bonding the entire set together. I'll start by giving the entire palette a coat of white paint. Once dry, I added my silhouette to the palette and painted it red. When the palette was dry, I removed the image from the board. Now display anywhere in your home. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.